Hi, John. How you doing today?
I'm doing well.
Good. So tell me, how was the experience with your design consultant who came into your home?
Very well.
Great.
He was very knowledgeable and also was took care of all of our needs that we had.
Great, great. Did they help you with the color choices, or did you have in mind what you already were looking for?
They helped me with color choices.
Nice.
They,
What would best
what
suit
would
you?
best work for our needs. Yes.
Good. And then how were the installers that came into your home?
Very well. Very professional. Very good.
Oh, good. And how was the scheduling process? Was that a simple and easy process for you, getting us to come out here and help you out?
Yes. The quickness of everything being done was
Good.
excellent.
Good, good. Well, that's what we intend for. Well, I appreciate everything and all your inputs. Thank you for using Express Flooring, and enjoy your floors.
All right.
Thank you.